Hello! In this video, we will show you how to prepare a delicious cappuccino with your NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Piccolo XS. Adjust the drip tray to the high position. Place your cup. To prepare a cappuccino, you will need 2 capsules. Start with the milk capsule. On this capsule, 6 bars means that preparation time is about 30 seconds. Lift the locking handle. Place the milk capsule in the capsule holder. Push down the locking handle. Move the lever to the hot position. Count 30 seconds or adjust to your preferred cup size. Move the lever back to the stop position. Once the milk flow has stopped, the indicator light blinks red. Don't lift the locking handle until the indicator light turns green. Keep in mind the milk level on your cup as a guide for future preparations. Remove the capsule and dispose of it into a bin. Continue with the coffee capsule. On this capsule, 1 bar means that preparation time is about 10 seconds. Place the coffee capsule in the capsule holder. Move the lever to the hot position. Count 10 seconds or adjust to your preferred cup size. Move the lever back to the stop position. Once the coffee flow has stopped, the indicator light blinks red. Don't lift the locking handle until the indicator light turns green. Keep in mind the level in your cup as a guide for future preparations. Remove the capsule and dispose of it into a bin. Reinsert the capsule holder. Push down the locking handle. And that's it! Enjoy a round and silky cappuccino. With NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto, you can enjoy a wide range of delicious coffees, teas, and hot chocolates.